And it's hard because the health and fitness industry is really about supplementation. It's about protein, ketogenic diets, paleo, and it's very hard to convince people that, listen, the whole protein myth is just that, a myth. You can get your protein from leafy greens, from fruits, from vegetables. They're amino acids, and so it's just hard to just get that one concept into people's minds. And so I've had some amazing clients that have started the transitioning into the mucusless diet and are already getting great results. And I have some that started, got scared, and stopped. So, my advice to you is really work on transitioning. Transitioning is the key. And really, to get the body you want, it starts with cleansing internally. And that's the one advice I can get you. Take your mind off of vanity. Because really, having a nice body is vain anyways. Really work on focusing on the internal health, because that's where it starts. I'll tell you, the reason why my body is the way it is now, and why I look the way I do now, is because of what I did internally and what I still do internally. Because I fast. Because, I'm practicing a mucusless diet. Because I'm practicing a positive mindset. Because that's what matters too. It starts with your mind. If you go into something and saying, I don't know, this might not work, but I'll do it anyways, your actions are going to reflect that. You have to go in there believing in this lifestyle and being patient with yourself and loving yourself, because that's important.